Oh, I'm obsessed. Hey guys, my name is Gleb Savchenko. I'm a professional dancer on Dancing with the Stars. I also act and do a bunch of other different things. I'm here today at Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration facility. This is the place to be. I'm actually a patient myself. This has been almost a year. I am so happy with the result. I started noticing my hair thinning. And not as full as it used to be. My hairline kind of went a little higher, and I just started noticing a change, you know, with age. Dr. Mohebi, also a celebrity hair transplant doctor. He does a lot of celebrities. Lots of my friends came to him, and actually one of my friends, I've known him for several years now, and I always looked at his hair. I was like, oh my God, your hair looks so amazing. I kept asking him, like, what does he do to his hair? Like, why? Like, I'm thinning, you know, he's older than me, like 10 years older. And he was like, okay, when you're ready, I'm gonna give you the best doctor that you have. You don't wanna go to anybody else. Literally, that's what he said. I think, personally, if you start noticing it and it's bothering you, do it earlier than wait and do it later. I'm actually proud of that. I was like, you know what? It's cool that I did my hair, because why not? If I can, and if I found a great doctor that can help me and make me look more confident, feel more confident, and just kind of like reverse the time. So the procedure went super smooth. I did not have any pain, actually. Everyone was like, oh my God, it's so painful, it's so painful. No, like, not at all. Everything was just so effortless, so perfect, so amazing. The real result is I see now that I see my hair is less fuzzy, it's fuller, it's thicker. It does look like a brand new head.